So the edit form, so will be the same thing as we have done with create. So let's copy from here and we can paste inside edit. So let's paste here and move to the top. So here instead of create we have edit, and we have the route here is update, and we need to send attendance ID, and we need to override the method to be put. So instead of post, so the date here, and here we need the attendance date, so for the old value. So the same thing for the other fields. So we have check in and we have check out, and we have so here for the employee ID, so we need to use the employee ID. Okay, so let's see now what we have else. So we have the button, so let's change it to update, and same thing for the route. So save, let's refresh the page and see what we have here. So let's hit edit. So here is our attendances. So let's change the, let's first cancel and see if we will go back. So we are directed back to our home page. So let's change it. So the checkout needs to be after. So it needs to be after the check-in. So let's save. So as you can see now it's changed. Okay, so let's try to change. So I think we have the same employee. Let's try to change it to someone else. So as you can see we have changed employee. Okay, so now everything is working for the attendances. So now we have employees and we have the attendances. So what is left? So we need to add the holidays request. So the same thing as we have done with the attendances, but before we do that, let's remove show. So show file or blade, we don't need it. Okay, so let's copy from the employee again and paste here and change it from employees to holidays. And let's keep it as it is. So we need first to create the, so we did not create the controller yet, and the requests and the routes, and later we will come back to our views. Okay, so let's move to the controller first.